Hello students, welcome to LedgerPro Accountancy. In this video, we will learn the basic terms of accounting. These terms are very important because they form the foundation of accounting. Without understanding these terms, it is difficult to learn general ledger entries, final accounts. So let's start. First is entity. A entity means that the business is treated as a separate unit from its owner. Like in accounting, business and its owner are considered different. All business transactions are recorded separately from personal transactions of the owner. This concept is also known as basic business entity concept. Okay, so let's learn the second term, which is business. Business is an activity carried out to earn profit. Okay, so any activity involving production, purchase and sales of goods and services with the aim of earning profit is called business. For example, trading business, manufacturing business, any service business. And the third one is transactions. What is transaction? So, a business transaction is a financial event that can be measured in terms of money. Uh, like only those activities which involve money and affect the financial position of the business are called transactions. Example, purchase of goods, sales of goods, salary payment, rent payment. These are transactions of business. Personal activities are not business transactions. Okay, so let's move to the other point, which is capital. Now we will learn what is capital. So capital is the amount of money or any asset invested by the owner in the business. When an owner or a person starts a business, he brings cash or any other asset to use in the business is called capital. Capital is a liability for the business, but because it is payable to owner. Okay, and the second term here is drawings. What are drawings? Drawings are cash or goods withdrawn by the owner. Okay, so capital is cash or asset which is bring in the business by the owner, and drawings is owner takes the money, any goods from the business for his personal purpose. Okay, when owner takes some money or goods from the business for its personal purpose, it is called drawings. Drawings reduces the capital here. Okay, so let's move to the another point, which are assets. So assets are the properties or resources owned by the business which have some monetary value over here. Assets helps the business in earning income. Assets are called like cash, any bank balance, any building, any machinery which we use in our business, and the stock. These are called our assets. So let's move to the next point, which is liabilities. Liabilities are amounts payable by the business to some outsiders. And who are these outsiders? Our creditors, our loans, any outstanding expenses These are our liabilities. When a business owes any money to others, it becomes a liability. Okay, so here we learn some basic terms like business, transactions, what is capital, drawing, assets and liabilities. Some other terms we will learn in next video. Okay students, bye bye, take care, thank you for watching our video.